Electrical discharge machining. It is the process in which electric energy is used to generate the spark between the tool and the workpiece made submerged under the dielectric medium so that the material removal takes place from the surface of the workpiece by local melting or vaporization, called as electric discharge machining. The electric discharge machining diagram consists of pulse generator, workpiece, fixture, dielectric fluid, pump, filter, tool holder, spark generation, tool. Working principles of electrical discharge machining process. The workpiece is fixed in the dielectric container using a fixture. The tool is fed up by the servo feed unit which can move downwards in a vertical direction. The power supply is given to the dielectric discharge machining process, that is, positive terminal is given to the workpiece and negative terminal is given to the tool. The tool and the workpiece are separated using dielectric fluid and an optimum gap is maintained between them. As stated above, that at normal condition, the dielectric fluid acts as an insulator. In this sense, no electric conductivity is taking place, but by an increasing of high pressure, the dielectric fluid ionizes into negative and positive ions. The positive ions are attracted to the negative ions and the negative ions are attracted to the positive ions and thereby the heat is generated. When the positive and negative ions collide with each other, then the spark is generated between the tool and the workpiece, which can remove the material from the surface of the workpiece. When there is no spark in the container, then the dielectric fluid again turns as an insulator. The same procedure is repeated to remove the material from the surface of the workpiece. Advantages of the EDM. The machining process does not depend on the mechanical properties of the workpiece. No residual stress will be generated because no force are acting. The deeper hole is possible to produce up to 20. The surface finish is better due to the melting and vaporizations. Limitations of EDM. Workpiece materials must be electrically conductive. Perfect square corner holes are not possible to produce. Hardening of the workpiece is taking place near to the hole. Applications of EDM. It is used for producing hole size less than 0.1 mm. Used for die singing or die manufacturing. Holes in the air brakes or pneumatic brakes were done by an electric discharge machining process. Recent development in EDM. In recent years, numerous developments in EDM have focused on the production of micro features. This has become possibly due to the availability of new CNC systems and advanced spark generators that have helped to improve the machined surface quality. Also, they are very small for process forces and good repeatability of the process results have made micro EDM the best means for achieving the high aspect micro fixtures. Current micro EDM technology used for manufacturing micro features can be categorized into 4 different types. Micro wire EDM, where a wire of a diameter down to 0.02 mm is used to cut through a conductive workpiece. Die singing micro EDM, where an electrode with the micro feature is employed to produce its mirror image in the workpiece. Micro EDM drilling, where micro electrodes are used to drill micro holes in the workpiece. Micro EDM milling, where microelectrodes are employed to produce 3D cavities by adopting a movement strategy similar to that in the conventional milling. Despite the number of publications extolling the improved capabilities of this process, they are still not widely used. This is mainly due to the fact that the available machine tools and process characteristics are not sufficiently reliable. This paper describes that the main problem restricting the application of micro EDM and presents some specific solutions. Wire cut EDM. Wire EDM involves a continuously spooling conductive wire. A power supply generates rapid electric pulses that creates a discharge between the workpiece and the electrode. The discharge causes the melting and probably the vaporization of a minute piece of a material slowly eating into the workpiece. Any electrical conductivity material can be machined irrespective of hardness. Three recent developments in wire EDM. Enormous research has been done during the last few years in the field of wire EDM to increase the metal removal rate, tool life, surface finish, and to finish the time consumed for the process, etc. Some of the recent developments are discussed here. Wire EDM coated electrode. In recent years, high performance coated wires having high conductivity and better fusibility have been developed and used for machining, resulting in the better surface finishing and improved cutting speeds. But these wires are costly as well as cause many impurities in dielectric fluid and also some environmental hazards. Wire EDM with multi-layer electrodes. Korean patent number 10-198-5-000-9194 reported a wire electrode which includes a steel core coated with copper or some other materials. Large amount of work has been reported in various patents for multi-layered steel core wire electrodes, and majority of these multi-layered wire electrodes results in accuracy and precision problem with the increased tool life. It may be therefore concluded that the coating is done the steel wires to achieve high strength and rigidity. New control system to improve machining accuracy. The members mentioned here have presented a closed-loop wire tension control system for wired EDM to improve the machining accuracy. Dynamic performance of the closed-loop wire tension systems was examined by proportional integrate controller and one-step head controller. Further, in order to reduce the vibration of the wire electrode, dynamic dampers were employed. From a series of experiments, they have concluded that the systems can achieve fast transition response and small steady state error than an open loop control system. They have also concluded that error of geometrical counter can be reduced approximately up to 50% while corner cutting. New guide to eliminate wire bending defects. Research scholars in the University of Tokyo, Japan have developed a new guide of a wire electrode. The guide does not cause locally sharp bending of the wire, and the wire runs through the guide smoothly, hence helps in reducing the defects that arises due to the sharp bending of the wire. New guide to eliminate the wire bending defects. Research scholars in University of Tokyo and Japan have developed a new guide of wire electrode. The guide does not cause locally sharp bending of the wire, and the wire runs through the guide smoothly. Hence, helps in the reducing the defects that arises due to the sharp bending of the wire. Wire electrodes with cryogenic treatments. In electronics industries, aluminum, brass, copper, tin, lead shows a better wear resistance after cryogenic treatment. EN31 steel, when machined with cryogenic treated brass wire with three process parameters, namely type of wire electrode, pulse width, and wire tension, shows a significant improvement in the surface roughness than the untreated wire electrode. Strong interaction is observed between the type of wire and wire tension, pulse width, and the wire tension. New material for wired EDM electrode. Prohaska et al. Proposed the requirement of the materials that can be used as wired EDM electrodes and will lead to improvement of the wired EDM performance. Experiments were carried out regarding the choice of suitable wire electrode materials, the effects of the material properties of on the machinability of the wired EDM. He evaluated the influence of the various materials used for the fabrication of wired electrodes on the machinability of the wired EDM. A series of experiments have been conducted on the standard EDM unit. Negative polarity rods of pure magnesium, tin, and zinc of the diameter 5.0 mm were used as the tool electrodes. The workpiece was annealed non-alloyed steel with low carbon content. The operational parameters were kept constant during all the experiment performed. This is the diagram for the wired EDM.